The Volkswagen Kombi Luxo T1, also known as the Type 2 Microbus or split screen, was produced by Volkswagen from 1950 to 1967. The T1 designation refers to the first generation of these vans. By 1961, the Kombi had become a symbol of freedom and adventure, favored by travelers, families, and businesses alike for its practicality and charm. Design and features. The T1 is famously known for its split windshield, which gives it the nickname split screen. This design feature not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also enhances visibility for drivers. The 1961 Kombi Luxo typically features a two-tone paint scheme, with contrasting colors on the roof and lower body, contributing to its classic look. Positioned on either side of the iconic V-shaped front panel, the round headlights are a distinctive feature of the Kombi's design. The prominent Volkswagen logo is placed at the center of the front panel, making it instantly recognizable. Unlike the barn doors on earlier models, the 1961 model often features a sliding side door for easier access. Many Kombis from this era were fitted with roof racks, ladders, and other accessories, making them ideal for road trips and camping. The Kombi Luxo is designed to maximize interior space, offering ample room for passengers and cargo. It often includes multiple rows of seating, which can be configured or removed as needed. Upholstered seats provide a comfortable ride, and the interior is often trimmed with materials that enhance the van's retro charm. The dashboard is simple yet functional, with essential controls and gauges easily accessible to the driver. Large windows provide excellent visibility and a sense of openness, adding to the enjoyment of the ride. Mechanical specifications. The 1961 Kombi is powered by an air-cooled, rear-mounted, 1.2-liter flat-4 engine, producing around 34 horsepower. This engine is known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, allowing for smooth and controlled driving. The T1 suspension system provides a comfortable ride, with torsion bars and shock absorbers that handle various road conditions effectively. Equipped with drum brakes, the Kombi offers adequate stopping power for its time. Performance. The Kombi Luxo has a top speed of approximately 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for leisurely cruises and scenic drives. Known for its fuel efficiency, the Kombi was an economical choice for families and businesses, offering decent mileage for long trips. Cultural significance. The Volkswagen Kombi T1 bus gained iconic status in the 1960s, becoming synonymous with the counterculture movement and the spirit of adventure. It was embraced by hippies, travelers, and surfers, who appreciated its practicality and charm. The Kombi was also popular among families and small businesses, thanks to its versatility and affordability. Restoration and collectibility. Today, the 1961 Volkswagen Kombi Luxo T1 is a highly sought-after classic vehicle. Restoring a Kombi to its original condition requires attention to detail and a commitment to preserving its authentic features. Enthusiasts often seek out original parts and period-correct accessories to maintain its vintage appeal. Many Kombis have been lovingly restored, with owners investing time and effort to bring these vehicles back to their former glory. Restorations often include mechanical overhauls, bodywork, and interior refurbishments. As a beloved classic, the Kombi T1 has a strong following among collectors. Its iconic status and historical significance make it a valuable addition to any collection. Conclusion. The 1961 Volkswagen Kombi Luxo T1 bus is more than just a vehicle. It is a cultural icon that embodies the spirit of freedom and exploration. Its timeless design, versatility, and charm continue to captivate enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Whether restored to its original splendor or customized for modern adventures, the Kombi remains a beloved symbol of automotive history.